Right, another chainsaw fix, possibly. Got these Pioneer, there's a 620, a 600 I think, or what is that? Yeah, 600. And this one here, that's just a Pitts one, and that one's got spark. That one I can't tell because motor's locked up, and this one doesn't have spark. But after swapping the coils and everything around and making a hell of a mess, it appears that all I had to do was take that boot off and change where that coil goes onto the end of the spark plug. Just reattach that, yeah, I believe, with a $10 bloody multimeter. But about 3 days of buggerizing around and getting nowhere. So I might be able to get the thing to run, and if so, I'll bang it up here. Yeah, so that was it. So that's just a little trap for young players. I couldn't get anything out of the coil. It's the coils situation, and the points look clean, and I messed around and changed condensers and what have you. Couldn't really eliminate it, and I thought I'd check the actual coil lead, and there was a break somewhere in the coil lead, which it just appears to be just that end cap just there. So yeah, as you can see, the rest of the state is yeah, 1 step forward and 3 steps back. But anyway, it's yeah, going well. Rightio, see yous.